part has been destroyed by 60-mile-an-hour winds. This just tells you that there's a pressure gradient in the atmosphere. 60-mile-an-hour winds or plus. There's dust in the atmosphere across north central Texas, as dust from West Texas continues to blow in from Ford, Hardeman, and most of those counties out west. Damage assessment shows that the tree is a total loss and will need to be cut down. We are in the process of cleaning it up. And here it is from a full shot view. As you can see, it was about as tall as that tree was. The tree would be standing right there, and now that's the only one left standing. If that one goes next. I wouldn't be too surprised if that one goes next. This one had a bout with wind on May 10th, 2010, when a branch was knocked off by 50-mile-an-hour winds. And now today, a 10 more mile per hour wind gust did that. Caused the whole thing to snap and needs to be destroyed. That is what remains of the entire tree.